G'day, my name's Diad and I'm the founder and head of growth at Remote Office, where we build and manage cross-border skill teams. From a different perspective, we connect global talents and businesses. One of our core principles is to constantly improve, modernize, design, develop, and implement key facilities for our customers so that we can redefine the remote working experience. In terms of building teams, we build teams across 4 different categories. They are software development, creative studio, sales enablement, and CX/customer support. We consider us as an end-to-end remote workforce solution provider, and there are a whole bunch of reasons why we think like that. If I explain the whole customer experience at Remote Office, I will distribute it into 4 different stages. And I'll start with Audit and Analysis. The second one is Sourcing and Hiring. The third one is Onboarding. And the fourth one is Servicing. Let's talk about Audit and Analysis first. What we do in this stage is we try to understand and analyze your pain point and outline a solution plus a team that would help you to resolve your pain point. Once that is done, we move to the next stage, which is Sourcing and Hiring. What we generally do to kickstart the process is we develop a few benchmark resumes. A benchmark resume is not a real resume, but the resume that you are after. Now, once that is locked, then we compare the benchmark resumes with a verified professional talent pool. Now, when we talk about talent pool, we not only have got our own verified professional talent pool, which is growing every single day, but also we're partnering up with some of the very large job sites where we hire people from, and we've got access to their resume banks. So what happens is we create a short list of verified professional talents with the power of AI, and then we start the screening process. When we go through the screening process, we also have machine-led interviews so that we can ensure the scalability. We've got behavioral tests and also interactive interview sessions. The hiring stage also includes customer review, which means you interview the candidates before you hire them. Then we move forward to the next stage, which is onboarding. We're very cautious when it comes onto onboarding from a privacy confidentiality perspective, and we make sure there's a secure training plan before the commencement. Let's talk about the next stage, which is servicing. This is quite exciting. What we do in this stage is we add a service lead/team leader into the mix, which is quite a surprise because it comes with a package. The team leader's job is to outline goals for a specific period of time and make sure the team is up and running without any hindrance. These are the 4 different stages where we're constantly improving to make it bulletproof every single day, develop new key facilities to make sure that we become an end-to-end remote workforce solution provider for you and redefine the remote working experience. I receive a lot of questions regarding how we differentiate us from the freelance marketplaces or maybe the agencies. So I've got a few things to share with you as well. With no surprise, we provide dedicated employees. Now you can outline the difference from an agency or the freelance marketplaces, I'm sure. If you consider the fee structures, we're quite similar to the freelance marketplaces. The only difference is the candidates are going to come through bulletproof, battle-tested screening process as we consider the candidates that we bring to the table as vetted top experts. Now, we definitely put a client service team in place, which means you don't have to design your sprint goals and you don't have to directly manage your staff and team if you don't want to. What we additionally do is we go through performance evaluations each month, which help you understand better regarding the team's performance. When we talk about outline solutions, we definitely put blueprints and disciplines in place for specific teams. Now, if a team is looking for social media outreach or B2B email outreach, we definitely put a bulletproof, battle-tested outline solution in place, which has got a lot of success stories in the past. Over the last year, we've also built a department called VID Support, and that comes with the package as well, which means if any of the IT query of your team members fall under the Remote Office universe, they will be taken care internally within your Remote Office environment, and you don't have to go to a third party to resolve that issue. One of the biggest improvements from the last year would be the VHR department. Of course, it comes with the package as well, which means along with your VID Support department, you also have your own HR department backing you up with information at the end of each month. You receive a report at the end of each month which outlines attendance, leaves, sprint goals, performance matrix, etc. So you have a bird's eye view on your team and you can assess how your team is functioning and how you would want to plan with them going forward. Last but not the least, as we build cross-border skill teams, we handle and manage the tax and legal compliance management for the staff. We're constantly growing as a company and we're blessed to have great customers around us who are supporting us in this beautiful journey. If you want to explore more about Remote Office, please visit remoteoffice.io, where you can see how we work, who we are, and you can even design a team that fits your need and see what it's going to cost you if you want us to build and manage your cross-border skill teams.